Hello everyone, welcome back to Best Product. Today, we're looking at the best M.2 NVMe SSD heatsink that can protect your drive from overheating and keep your system running smoothly. If you use a fast SSD and want to maintain its performance, this small accessory makes a big difference. Let's get started.
This is the ID Cooling M.2 NVMe SSD heatsink. ID Cooling designed this heatsink to be tiny yet incredibly convenient. It adds strong cooling to your SSD without taking up much space. Installation is simple and tool-free, so you can set it up quickly even if you are not a tech expert.
One of the key features is the double-sided thermal pads. These pads make contact with both sides of your SSD. Heat is drawn away from the entire drive, not just one side. During heavy tasks like gaming, video editing, or large file transfers, your SSD stays cooler and maintains stable speeds. This prevents thermal throttling, where the drive slows down to protect itself from heat. The heatsink is built from aluminum with an anodized black finish. Aluminum is excellent at conducting heat, so it spreads warmth quickly away from the SSD. The anodized layer adds durability and gives it a sleek, professional look that fits nicely in any computer build. Its compact form factor is another big plus. The ID Cooling M.2 NVMe SSD heatsink fits easily into a wide range of systems. Whether you have a large, high-performance gaming rig or a small mini PC, it slides in without blocking other components. This versatility makes it useful for almost any setup. By keeping your SSD cool, this heatsink helps extend its lifespan. SSDs perform best at lower temperatures, and consistent cooling protects your data and hardware investment. You get reliable performance even during long, intensive sessions. The design is low-profile and thoughtful. It does not interfere with other parts in your case, and once installed, you do not need to adjust it again. It works quietly in the background to manage heat efficiently. Small in size, big on protection. Check the price link in the description, and do not forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more smart tech upgrades. See you in the next video.